part of my life for many years now, and this past year it's been most important to me. I've been able to get through bad days at school or online school, bad days in general. It's been an escape from everything that's going on in the world and at home and everything. It's been a way that I've been able to clearly refresh my mind, re-energise, stay positive, and I found that it's been a way that I've been able to cope with everything that's going on very well. I started running back in June last year, and I only went for runs about 3 or 4 times every 2 weeks. It wasn't often, but it was a way that I could get out of the house and have time for myself. I was able to re-energise, I was able to focus my mind on something else other than school, what was happening in the world, not seeing friends. It was a time that I could focus on just relaxing, going out, getting some fresh air, and, like I said, re-energising. Whether that was getting ready for the next day, the next minute, the next hour, the next week, the following month, whatever it was time that I could get out and be prepared mentally, while also getting fit and maintaining some good physical activity. I was able to reflect on everything that I'd done during that day or during that week and look at what was to come and mentally prepare myself for any challenge and be prepared in a way that I was motivated and confident that I was about to take on that next challenge. Like I said, it was a time for myself to then look at what I'd done and where I am, and I've taken on a lot over these past few years, since September especially. I'm a young ambassador for many organisations, my main one being a Platinum Young Ambassador, while also being the head girl at my school and being a part of all these different clubs, even though they're not going ahead. It's been a lot since September, but sport has always been my escape. Going for my runs or even walks late at night, it was time that I could just listen to the waves or get up early, not that I did it often, but get up, go for walks, go for evening walks, and just, like I said, clear my mind and not worry. It was a time that I could think positive. So during this year, I've been able to focus on sport as a way that I could escape, whereas it used to be a way that I very much enjoyed just hanging out with friends or getting fit. It's recently become a time during the day that I've been able to leave everything, stop everything, take a pause, even if it was just for half an hour during that day. It was a period where I could just let go and relax. So without sport or any sort of activities, physical activity, I don't think I would be where I am today. And it's helped so much, whether it's with my mental health, whether it's with confidence, motivation, getting through the day. It's been a huge part of my life, and I don't know where I'd be without it. So it's been very important to me this past year and to this day, this very second. I couldn't be more thankful for sport.